Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy clips in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that you would like to edit. And when you open one of your projects, you have to click on the edit option, which is the first one on the bottom of the screen. Then scroll to the right until you see the copy option. So when you made for example, some adjustment and you want to copy exactly that clip with all the adjustments, everything, then this option is really good because you do not have to start all over again that process. You just click on the copy and you can see that it's added near the first near that clip that you wanted to copy. Obviously you can put it somewhere else if you would like. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.